Hi and welcome to this TubeTech Tutorials channel, or if you like, technology-based tutorial pages. Now I'm sat in this chair at the moment because I've got to admit I'm feeling a little bit lazy, but I'm still doing this intro for you. So why don't you follow us? Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channels and also enjoy membership benefits of early videos, early access, live one-to-ones, emails, help that'll help you get certified in security, networking, automation, whatever is your chosen career path. So we hope that you enjoy these technical tutorials and these technical pages, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavours and hope that you want to work together with us to grow together. Take care.